Dear students, today we are going to see about the best method for exporting and rendering scenes. Exporting to external format. Exporting takes approximately, it blends and restructures. The purpose is to blend the images with appropriate effects. The other reason for exporting, for example, it may be for video games. Many games have a public specification of the format. They are for loading 3D data. Blender can export in many of the formats. It allows us to create custom characters and sets. Now, let us see what is rendering. Rendering is a process of converting a three-dimensional scene into a two-dimensional image. The Blender comes with three render engines. Each of that has its own set of capabilities. For example, let us take the first one, EV. EV is a real-time renderer that is physically based. The second one is cycle is a path tracer that is based on physical principles. Third one, layout, modeling and previews are all done on the workbench. Next comes animation. Animation is very important effect in multimedia. The project's primary phase, the animation stage, has officially arrived. The design firm will now start producing dynamic animated screenshots using the earlier standards and storyboards. In order to provide character designs and other models with realistic movements and articulation scene by scene, the, the process substituted with animation software. Rendering is a process of converting a three-dimensional scene into two-dimensional image, as we discussed earlier. Creating a sequence of still images for editing or compositing. Sequence photography is the technique of combined different shots of same subject to present its course of action in a single image. Capturing a subject is a motion. It will produce an image with basically have subject at different moments throughout the frame. Usually it comes with same background. Composting and editing. Composting is the process of layering multiple on-screen elements of video, still, images, text and graphical elements into a single off-screen image. Many of the composing seen in video are really just the separate video images that are combined as a single screenshot. Working with video sequence editor. The default video editing screen layout in Blender is accessible through the screens that are being handled by the headers. The large editor across the middle of the layout is a video sequence editor. We call it as VSE. It's a sequence view. It comes with the sequence view. The benefit of timeline around all the time is that you can use that for the purpose of editing. The add effect stripe adds the particular brightness comes with RGB. For example, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 5 combination. It results in RGB 0.6, 0.6 and 1.0. The video sequencer is used for default video editing screen layout, and it is a purpose of sequencing, previewing. These are the process done, carry out in that. Working with the node It gets the rendering process work. Thank you.